Opening question. Let us begin with a simple but important question. What if your muscles are working harder than they need to? Many people go through the entire day carrying extra tension in their body without even noticing it. This can happen in the shoulders, the jaw, the hands, the neck, or even in the stomach. Because it builds up slowly, it can start to feel normal. In this module, we are going to learn how to notice that hidden tension and how to gently release it. This is an important step in mindfulness because awareness is not only about thoughts and emotions. It is also about learning to listen to what your body is telling you from the inside out. Topics covered. In this lesson, we will focus on 4 main ideas. First, we will understand muscle tension and how it shows up in the body. Second, we will explore physical relaxation, which means helping the body return to a more comfortable and natural state. Third, we will look at progressive release, a simple method of relaxing the body step by step. Finally, we will learn about the relaxation response, which is the body's natural shift into a calmer and safer mode. These topics connect closely with one another. First, we notice tension, then we learn how to release it, and through that process, we help the body and mind settle. Explain. When you're stressed, your muscles tighten automatically. This is part of the body's built-in survival system. Your body prepares you to react quickly, even if the stress is something small, like a difficult conversation, a test, or too many notifications and responsibilities at once. The important thing to understand is that when the stressful moment passes, the muscles do not always relax right away. Sometimes the body stays in that tense state, even when there is no real danger anymore. That is why we practice relaxation intentionally. We are teaching the body that it is safe to let go. This idea leads directly into the next slides, where we will compare what tension looks like in the body and what relaxation looks like instead. Visual suggestions. Now imagine character A. This character shows what stress often looks like in the body. The shoulders are raised, which can make the neck feel stiff or tired. The jaw is tight, which may happen without awareness, especially during stress or concentration. The fists are clenched, showing that the body is holding on instead of softening. The breathing is fast, which often happens when the nervous system is activated. Altogether, this posture sends a message that the body is on alert. Many students experience this during school, homework, social stress, or even while scrolling on their phone. The key point is that tension has physical signs, and once you can recognize them, you are already starting to build awareness. Character B. Now let us compare that with character B. This character shows a more relaxed and balanced state. The shoulders are lowered and at ease. The jaw is loose rather than tight. The breathing is slower and steadier, which helps the whole body settle. The posture looks calm, open, and natural. This does not mean the person is sleepy or lazy. It means the body is not using extra energy to stay tense. By comparing character A and character B, you can start to notice the difference between a body that is bracing and a body that feels safe enough to soften. This comparison prepares us for the next step, which is turning that observation inward and asking what is happening in your own body right now. Exercise. Now it is time to practice. Pause the video and ask yourself a few simple questions. Are my shoulders lifted? Is my jaw tight? Am I holding my breath? These questions help you scan your body with curiosity, not judgment. You are not trying to find something wrong. You are simply noticing what is already there. Then ask yourself one more question. Can I relax just 5 more? This is important because relaxation does not need to be dramatic. Even a small release can make a difference. Maybe your shoulders drop a little. Maybe your jaw softens. Maybe you take one fuller breath. These small changes teach you that awareness can lead directly to regulation. The more often you practice this, the easier it becomes to notice tension earlier and respond with care. Key takeaway. The key takeaway from this lesson is simple. Relaxation begins with awareness. Before you can release tension, you have to notice that it is there. This is why mindfulness starts with paying attention to the body. When you become more aware of your physical state, you gain the ability to respond instead of staying stuck in automatic stress patterns. In this module, We began by questioning how much unnecessary effort the body may be carrying. Then we explored how stress creates muscle tension, what tension looks like, what relaxation looks like, and how to begin letting go in small, practical ways. As you continue, remember that listening to your body is a skill, and like any skill, it becomes stronger with practice.